But back here Thursday morning, we had a bit of a stressful / successful day yesterday. Went to the builders merchant I've been using for basically multi-finish plaster, which I would use in England, the equivalent that they have here, and they did not do it. They telling me that tape and jointing is the only way you can do it here. No one does it any other way. It's got to be tape and joint. It's the best way, best system, and I disagree. Not only do I hate doing taping and joining, because I can do it, I think the finish is below the levels of a normal skim plaster, where you skim over the whole ceiling or walls or whatnot. I think I might have upset the guy. Turned around to him and said, tape and joining is the cheap way, and anyone off the street can come and do it. Because anyone can. If you want to do skimming, you've got to have some skill and actually have learned how to do it properly. Basically, if you do tape and jointing, you feel the joints and the screws. Doesn't matter how much you put on. The result is you just either sand down more or less at the end of it. So anyone can do that. Anyone can sand down and make things flattish. But it's never perfect, I think. You always see the joints. And yeah, I'm gonna stop, because I was ranting to my girlfriend all afternoon yesterday about this, because I was so annoyed, because I felt like they were telling me that I was wrong. And in my opinion, and the way I like to do things, is the finish in my eyes is better than otherwise. And I'm still going. But we went to Kosice, found something that is actually called multi-finish as well. So we figured out it's we think, we'll find out when it turns up. We think it's the equivalent to the English multi-finish thistle. But yeah, we'll find out. Yeah, so got to wait for that to be delivered. Haven't got a van yet, so I've got 12 bags coming. Should be enough today or tomorrow, I believe. But that's fine, because I've got loads to get on with. I'm gonna mask and tape the tops of these windows, and I've got this as well. I've never used it before, but it looks good. Tape up the top, and the plastic drapes down. Try and protect the windows, so I've got less cleaning to do. I'm going to do that on this bedroom and the other bedroom, because I'm going to do these two rooms first, just to get back into the swing of troweling up and over my head, and then then I'll have to hit the living and hallway ceiling and try and get that all done in one hit, so I don't have to join it anywhere or anything like that. This should be good. So I'm going to do the windows, then I'm going to put the scrim on the joints, which you'll see what that is in a bit. That's just to help stop it from cracking. But yeah. So I'm waiting for my delivery to turn up on my plaster, so I'm getting the tools up here and plastering. Right, start clean up. Cleaned one of my trousers yesterday because it's sort of been sat in filth for a while. I haven't plastered for a long time. Can't actually remember the last time. So I did a quick clean up of them. Just brought up my my whisk, and I don't know if it's going to work because I've got this 110 transformer on British plug. I've got to go downstairs again, take some rubbish with me to the garage to get my converter plug to Europe. See how it is. But yeah, got an extension cable the other day as well, so hopefully it works. Otherwise I'm a bit screwed. Mixed by hand maybe. What are you trying to do?
If two.
Hang on, let's put this here.
Well, maybe the other one.
Well, use those two. You think you can? Come on then, if you think you're good enough. Done for free? Go on. All the way down the end. Go on, Fred, with your trousers rolled up by your butt. That was a half a squat. Easy. Right, now you can show them how, I can show them
Let
how
me
it's
do
done.
the work, princess, you rest.
I
can do it.
You take your phone, you take the phone and I'll show you.
Recording live.
So this is how you're meant to carry 2 bags. Alright. And then you get a third one like that. Light work. Oh, put it down the door. Done. Let's go home.